Maintaining clean windows can be a daunting task, especially when dealing with hard-to-reach areas or large glass surfaces. Fortunately, the rise of window cleaning robots has revolutionized this chore, making it easier than ever to achieve spotless windows with minimal effort. These smart devices are designed to glide effortlessly across glass panes, removing dirt and streaks with precision. To help you find the perfect solution for your home or office, we've rounded up the top 5 window cleaning robots on the market. Each of these models offers advanced features and impressive performance, ensuring you can enjoy crystal clear windows without the hassle. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Liectroux YW610 Window Cleaning Robot. The YW610 isn't just another cleaning tool, it's a marvel of modern technology designed to make your life easier. Imagine a device that combines cutting-edge features with impeccable design to deliver a spotless shine every time. Let's break down what makes this window cleaning robot so exceptional. First up, the YW610 boasts innovative atomizing nozzle technology. It sprays a 15 water mist to dissolve dirt effortlessly. This advanced misting system ensures that even the finest dust particles are tackled with ease, leaving your windows crystal clear. But that's not all. The YW610 uses a dual-disc cleaning mechanism that simulates twisting and sweeping motions. This means it mimics the hand wiping action but with rotating and twisting movements at an impressive 70 RPM. It's like having a professional cleaner at your service 24/7. With its one-press intelligent routing, the YW610 offers 3 customizable cleaning modes. Whether you need a quick refresh or a thorough deep clean, just select the mode that suits your needs and let the robot do the rest. And here's something that sets it apart: the dual-wheel twisting system. The A-wheel twisting effectively removes floating dust, while the B-wheel twisting tackles dirt and water stains. This 2-stage cleaning process ensures no spot is left untouched. The YW610 features an ultra-thin 9.3 cm body, which allows it to glide seamlessly across surfaces, reaching those tricky spots with ease. Its upgraded motherboard and layout reduce wind resistance, enhancing its swift and efficient movement. Powered by a Japan-made brushless motor, this robot delivers stable vacuum suction without slipping or offsetting. Speaking of suction, with a robust 2800 PA power, it ensures a strong grip on surfaces for a clean sweep every time. The high-density cleaning fiber cloth adds another layer of effectiveness. When used with glass detergent, which, by the way, is not included, it can tackle all types of dirt, dust, and particles. Plus, its repeated use helps save on costs and is better for the environment. Safety is also a priority with the Y610. It's equipped with a 200 kg safety rope to handle any emergencies, ensuring secure operation even on high or difficult-to-reach windows. And don't worry about the surface: the YW610 is versatile enough to handle various environments. Whether it's glass, tiles, or other smooth surfaces, this robot adapts and cleans effectively. Pros: innovative cleaning technology, powerful performance, compact design, and safety features. Cons: requires glass detergent, noise level, and battery life. Number 4. Abir WD8 Window Cleaning Robot. This isn't just any cleaning robot. The Abir WD8 comes packed with innovative features designed to make your life easier and your windows sparkling clean. Let's dive into what makes this robot stand out. First up, the Abir WD8 features an innovative dual ultrasonic spray system. Equipped with dual spray nozzles, it can spray water in 3 different directions. This high-efficiency ultrasonic nozzle atomizes the water, softening and cleaning stains with ease. No more manual scrubbing, just effortless, efficient cleaning. Control the WD8 with ease using either the intuitive app or the remote control. It's compatible with Tuya Smart and Smart Life apps, so you can connect it via Bluetooth and manage your cleaning schedule from anywhere. The Abir WD8 is equipped with the advanced SLAM 4.0 system, which intelligently plans cleaning routes in real time. With built-in laser sensors, it detects edges and adjusts its path within 0.3 seconds. This means complete cleaning coverage and higher efficiency, thanks to its dual-core positioning technology. The WD8 offers 4 versatile cleaning modes to suit your needs. Whether you want a quick clean or a more thorough wash, you can customize your cleaning plan easily. For those stubborn spots, the fixed-pointed cleaning mode provides simulated manual wiping for a deeper clean. Plus, with its smart memory function, the WD8 will return to its starting point once cleaning is complete. It's so convenient, just pick it up and you're done. Safety is a top priority with the WD8. Its upgraded laser border sensors help it navigate edges and prevent falls, even on frameless glass. The robot also features a 4-meter safety rope and a 650 mAh safety battery, ensuring it stays securely in place if there's a sudden power cut. At just 62 mm thick, the ultra-thin design allows it to clean every corner of your windows. The high-quality cleaning pad, with its special shape and ultra-high water locking rate, is both reusable and machine washable. Plus, the imported brushless motor ensures quiet operation and long-lasting performance. The Abir WD8 isn't just for windows. It's perfect for mirrors, marble worktops, tiles, and smooth wooden doors. With its powerful 3000 PA suction and multi-layer composite track, it adheres firmly to the surface, providing a safe and thorough clean. Pros: efficient cleaning, safety features, advanced features, and versatility. Cons: battery life, noise level, and cleaning pad durability. Number 3. Liectroux YW509 Window Cleaning Robot. But wait, this isn't just any window cleaning robot. The YW509 is packed with features that promise to make window cleaning as effortless as pressing a button. Ready to see how it works? Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the YW509's Intelligent Steady Climbing System. What does that mean for you? Well, it means that this robot doesn't just slide around, it climbs and cleans with incredible precision. Thanks to its smooth, wet mopping capabilities and dedicated timing belts, the YW509 grips onto surfaces without slipping, ensuring a thorough clean every single time. Next, let's dive into the upgraded 2.0 Intelligent Path Planning. This is where the magic happens. The YW509 uses advanced algorithms to assess the edges around your glass and plans a smart, zigzag cleaning path. This means no more missed spots or repeated cleanings, just efficient, comprehensive coverage. With this smart planning, you get a cleaner window with less effort. Pretty awesome, right? Safety is always a top priority, and the YW509 doesn't disappoint. It comes with a double safety design, a robust safety rope and buckle system. These features ensure that if anything goes wrong, the robot won't just fall. It's secured with a load-bearing capacity of up to 100 kilograms. With this level of protection, you can rest easy knowing your robot is safe, even when it's cleaning high-up windows. Let's talk about the cleaning pads. The YW509 uses a professional, customized cleaning pad made from one-piece molded special gauze and multiple microfibers. This setup ensures excellent water absorption and dust removal, making your windows sparkle like new. And the best part? It's easy to attach and wash, so you can keep it in top shape with minimal effort. With a powerful 3000 PA vacuum suction, the YW509 sticks firmly to your windows, ensuring a safe and secure clean, even on high floors. No more worrying about your robot slipping or falling. And don't forget the intelligent detection system. The YW509 is equipped with high-precision optocoupling sensors that intelligently detect frames and avoid obstacles. This means you get an anti-collision, leak-free clean every time. Pros: advanced path planning, intelligent obstacle avoidance, wet mopping capability, and safety features. Cons: battery life and maintenance. Number 2. Tookfun W1 Window Cleaning Robot. If you've been dreaming of a smarter way to keep your windows sparkling, stick around. This robot is packed with features that will leave your glass gleaming with minimal effort on your part. Let's start with what makes the W1 stand out. With just one click, you can start cleaning, thanks to its intelligent route planning and 3 distinct cleaning modes. It's equipped with a 150 ml large capacity water tank that covers up to 80 square meters of glass. That's a whole lot of cleaning with minimal refills. What really sets this robot apart is its advanced technology. With a 2600 Pa frequency conversion suction and intelligent glass recognition, the W1 ensures a thorough clean by automatically increasing pressure where needed. The W1 also boasts automatic edge detection. Using laser sensors, it accurately identifies the edges of your window, avoiding your glass frame and ensuring no spot is missed. Thanks to its intelligent path planning, the W1 can anticipate and avoid obstacles. It even memorizes the cleaning route, reducing omissions and preventing repetitive cleaning. When it reaches the window edges, it automatically slows down and carefully wipes the corners, ensuring no dirt is left behind. Safety is a priority with the W1. It comes with a 2.4G remote control for easy operation and a 5-meter safety rope to prevent falls. Plus, in case of a sudden power outage, it has a 20-minute battery life to keep it safely in place. When it's done, it automatically returns to its starting position. And with its ultra-thin, 8 cm body, it fits into tight spaces and even cleans windows with safety and anti-theft features. Whether you're cleaning large office windows, residential glass, or even high-rise buildings, the W1 is versatile enough to handle it all. It's the ultimate tool for anyone looking to simplify their window cleaning routine. Pros: intelligent features, cleaning performance, and safety features. Cons: battery life and noise level. Number 1. Robovacs X11 Window Cleaning Robot. Let's start with the basics. The Robovacs X11 is designed to make window cleaning a breeze. Whether you're in a high-rise or a cozy apartment, this robot has got you covered. Its advanced technology ensures a spotless finish every time. The X11 uses a sophisticated spray and wipe system. It alternates between spraying atomized water and wiping, ensuring that every inch of your window gets the attention it needs. The atomized water is distributed evenly, making sure that no spot is left behind. Now, let's talk about what really sets the X11 apart: its double-disc double-suction technology. The core of this innovation is the double-disc system, which ensures a full-screen tight cleaning. These discs rotate repeatedly, simulating the gecko's climbing principle to stick to the glass and clean effectively. This means it wipes evenly and accurately. The X11 doesn't just clean once, it goes over the same track multiple times to ensure that every corner is spotless. It's like having a personal window cleaning expert on your team. And let's not forget about the 15 fog coagulation dust removal technology. This micrometer-level water mist wraps around dust particles, making it easier to remove stubborn stains. It's like giving your windows a spa treatment. The AI Smart chip in the X11 is another game changer. It quickly judges the edges around the glass and plans a meticulous cleaning path. This means less leakage and more efficient cleaning coverage. It's intelligent cleaning at its finest. The upgraded brushless motor boasts a powerful 5 kg suction force. This means faster, more efficient cleaning with less noise. It's designed for high durability, so you can count on it to handle all the fine dust and dirt with ease. And here's the best part: the X11 isn't just for windows. It's a multi-purpose cleaning machine. From household sanitation to tackling those hard-to-reach places, it's versatile and powerful. In winter or any season, the X11's targeted moisture technology ensures the ideal amount of water is used, preventing watermarks and ensuring a streak-free clean. Pros: precision cleaning, efficient dust removal, and smart navigation. Cons: price, maintenance, and battery life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.